Alright, so this is the Pre-Calculus 11 Investing and Borrowing Money booklet. We'll just do lesson 1 and 2 combined. And so let's begin. It says here, in this unit we'll need to convert percentages numbers to non-percentage numbers and vice versa. It's important to review this process before the beginning of this unit. The percent is a fraction out of 100, so if you get a mark of 86 on a test, that means you got an equivalent of 86 out of 100. So A says here, to change a percent to a non-percent, simply divide the number by 100. So example, what is 67% of a non-percent number? So what that really means is 67%, we're going to divide by 100, and that gives you a 0.67. To change a non-percentage to a percent, simply multiply the decimal by 100. And it says here, example, write the decimal of 0.76 as a percent. So hopefully you know that this is 0.76 times 100. And that works out to 76%. I'll leave assignment number 1 for you to finish. We'll move on to more decimals and percent. It says here, often we're asked to find a percent of a number. This can be done with proportion, remembering that percent is a number always out of 100. It can be done by converting the percent to a decimal and multiplying. When the percentage is placed over the 100, then the percent is dropped. So here we go, 20% of 45. What we can do is, I'm going to set it up this way, 20 over 100. And I apologize for my handwriting. You know that it's hard to write and read at the same time. X over 45, and then use cross multiply, and then divide. X is equal to 9. It says here, it's also possible to find the percentage of two given numbers. To calculate the percent of one number of another, you need to determine the number of 100, so it's equal to your ratio. Using a proportion to simplify a fraction are the two ways to solve this type of question. What percent of 5? So what percent is 5 out of 20? So what we can do is 5 out of 20. We can do, it says convert 5 into a fraction. Oops. Convert 5 into a fraction. I'm not sure why it's not drawing. I'll do it over here. Draw. And again, I have no idea what's going on. So 5 out of 20, and then times 100. So that works out to 25%. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, and I apologize, it's a little sketchy here.